This video is going to show how to synchronize constraints with the Constraint Manager in OrCAD Capture. Open the provided design Constraint Sync Tutorial.dsn in OrCAD Capture. Select PCB Update Layout from the menu. Select Sync to open PCB Designer. This will enable a constraint-driven design flow and synchronize the designs. The software selection window opens for PCB Designer. Select the desired version of the software and click OK. In PCB Designer, select Setup Constraints from the menu or the Constraint Manager icon from the toolbar. Select the physical domain from the worksheet selector. Select the worksheet under Physical Constraint Set All Layers. Right-click the default constraint set and select Create Physical CSet. Enter DP for the name and click OK. Set the minimum line width to 0.127 and the primary gap to 0.127 to define the constraint set. Select the Net All Layers worksheet in the physical domain. Select the DP set from the dropdown in the referenced physical CSet column for DPD. Assigning the CSet at the top level will assign its constraints to each net of the differential pair. Close the Constraint Manager. Select File, Save from the menu or the Save button from the toolbar. Back in Capture, select PCB Update Schematic from the menu. The Update Schematic window opens. Select Sync. Select PCB Constraint Manager from the menu. The Enable Constraint Manager window opens. Click OK. If prompted to assign voltages to power nets, click OK. The Constraint Manager opens. The physical constraints assigned in PCB Designer are shown. Select the electrical domain from the worksheet selector. Select the worksheet under Electrical Constraint Set, Routing, Differential Pair. Right-click in the Name column and select Create Electrical CSet. Name the CSet DP and click OK. For the new constraint set, set the Gather control to ignore, the maximum uncoupled length to 5.08, and the static phase tolerance to 0.508. Select the Net, Routing, Differential Pair worksheet. Select the DP CSet from the dropdown in the referenced electrical CSet column for DPD. The defined constraints have been assigned to the differential pair. Close the Constraint Manager. Select PCB Update Layout from the menu. Select Sync. A constraint difference report is generated and opened. Expand and select Summary, Constraint Sets, Electrical CSets, DP to view the added properties. Close the constraint difference report. Back in PCB Designer, select Setup Constraints from the menu. Select the electrical domain in the Electrical Constraint Set, Routing, Differential Pair worksheet. View the defined table. The constraints and assignments have been imported from Capture. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.